Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure on how you can activate your cash card on your Cash App account. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, you need to log in into your Cash App account, and once you're logged into your account from the home page itself, you need to tap on the card icon located in the bottom left corner of your screen. As you tap on it, next page will be directed to cash card, and right on this page you need to tap on the card that is right in center, and as you tap on the card you'll have this kind of drop down menu. So from the drop down menu you need to tap on activate cash card, and after that you'll need to scan the QR code that's above your card. So for instance, if you don't have the QR code or you're not able to activate your card using your QR code, then you can simply tap on missing QR code, which is right at the bottom, and after that you'll have an alternative. So instead of QR code you'll need to provide your CVV number that is on the back of your card, and then you'll be notified that you've successfully activated your cash card and it is ready to use. So that is how you can activate your cash card on your Cash App account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.